Yo, what's up guys, it's me Paulo Gonçalves here, back with another video. For those of you that are new here to the channel, my name is Paulo Gonçalves. I basically do tutorials and gameplay reactions, and I'm hopefully soon enough gonna start a new channel just specifically for gameplay. Okay, so for those of you who have been here since the start, today I'm going to do a different version, and a better version of the Clash of Clans thumbnail tutorial that I taught you. So we are going to need Pixellab on Google, and that's basically it. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Google and type down the following. So Clash of Clans war background, which is going to give you a really cool war background, and so I'm just going to search for one that I like, and here I already spotted one. I think this one looks amazing, to be honest. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the image. It's quite simple. You just press the image and then press the download image button, which is going to go straight to your gallery. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put Hog, so I'm going for Hog Rider again, so you put Hog Rider PNG, and I'm going for the same picture that I went for last time. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need a Clash of Clans logo in PNG. So as you can see, already one popped up and you download it. This is going to be actually quite necessary, which will make your thumbnail look way better than what it did in my previous video. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up Pixellab. Pixellab is one of my favorite photo editing apps ever. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the background section and press from gallery. That's where you're going to choose your the wall background you downloaded previously. So as you can see, you just click it and it will automatically go like that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go to these three dots at the top right corner, then press image size, and then go to YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to stick to the same theme. So how to use Hog Rider, okay, so actually for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna make the actual thumbnail. So how to make that will be Clash of Clans. Okay, so you press that, okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to styles, browse, then go to this one right here, which I really enjoy. It's one of my favorite, really favorite fonts for style for general, you know what I mean. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to gallery again, and you're gonna get your Clash of Clans logo. Once you do that, you're gonna crop it, make it into a decent size. So just leave it like that, and it doesn't really matter. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna write a new text on how to make a Clash of Clans nail about, then on your phone, like that. So you get that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna change that like that, and since that is like that, you're going to go to alignment and then press that one, and then you're good to go. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna increase the size to similar size from the other one. So I'm gonna actually see what the size was. So 71, and you think I got the same? No. Like that. As you can see, it already looks really cool. So far, so good. Okay, so now you just now what you're gonna do? Now what you're gonna do is really cool. So you're gonna get Clash of Clans logo, and then press these squares. Then press that, and then press the center back, so you'd get that. Now what you're gonna do is gonna be also really cool. So you're gonna carry on with the thing that I did last episode. So you're gonna add the red squares. The red squares are extremely really important. As you can see, do that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill the Clash of Clans logo in, and I'm gonna fill in the Oni of them, so it'll stand out more. So like that. And then you do stroke in black, and a bit more thick, obviously. Not too thick though, so you don't want to make it touch the top right. So you get that. Now what you're gonna do, you're going to go that, then do that, send it to back, and just look at that. Doesn't that not look amazing yet? Not me personally, that looks really cool. Now what you're going to do is you can either redo the square, or you can just simply duplicate this and then adjust it to your way. So I'm going to do that. That's big to big. You do that, then center back. And as you can see, it stands out a lot more than what my other thumbnail did. So if you can really customize this to how you really want. I'm personally gonna just adjust this a bit smaller like that, and then I guess that's alright. Does that look alright? Yeah, I'm gonna say that looks alright. Now what you're gonna do, you're just gonna get your hog rider image. So me like that. Now you're gonna, since you already got your Clash of Clans logo here, you're gonna try your best to cover the Clash of Clans logo like that. So I'm gonna do is that's already covered. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send this image to the back. Like so. But that does not look good, so when you do that bit bigger, then that like that, yeah, and then bring that to front. Oops, bring this to the front like that, and then just bring the ones I need to go to the front forward. So that can go forward. That'll look alright. Okay, that just looks okay. That I'm gonna stick with this just for purposes of video. So like that. And there you go, guys. That is basically your thumbnail. Doesn't that look just great? Now you're just gonna save it to gallery, save as image, and then you save it to the gallery like so. And once you check that out, does that not look really good? I hope you did enjoy. Drop a like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe for more content. Tell me what you think about me starting a gaming channel, specifically on mobile gaming, and I'll add a bit of Xbox gaming, to be honest. And if you do want that, just go and drop it down below on the comment section.